Many crossbred animals are indeed real. Usually, mating between two species that are closely related to one another, such as lions and tigers, results in the birth of a hybrid animal. Animals created in labs also exist. Somatic hybridization is the name given to the process by scientists, which enables them to modify genes to produce new species with advantageous qualities from both parents. Types of hybrid animals that actually exist. Number 10. Liger. The liger is the biggest of the big cats and the progeny of a male lion and a female tiger. It is likely the most well-known hybrid animal. Typically, lion cubs are substantially larger than either parent. The heaviest liger ever recorded weighed an incredible 1,600 pounds, whereas the largest non-obese liger in the world weighs 1,000 pounds. Because lions and tigers do not often live in the same places, it would be extremely difficult to discover ligers in the wild. They frequently resemble lions more than tigers in appearance and behavior, but they do exhibit tiger characteristics, including a fondness of swimming and striped backs. Number 9. Tigon. Nobody could fault you for believing that a liger and a tigon should essentially be the same animal. They are both hybrids of lions and tigers after all. The offspring of a male tiger and a female lion, on the other hand, is a tigon. In comparison to ligers, tigons are substantially tiny, and they frequently grow to be smaller yet than both of their parents. They resemble their lion moms more than their tiger dads on average, but they also have social skills and the capacity to roar like lions. If you guys like this video, go and hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Number 8. Dolphin. One of the most uncommon hybrid creatures is the dolphin. They are the offspring of a male false killer whale, a member of the dolphin family unrelated to killer whales, and a female bottle-nosed dolphin. Despite many reports of citizen dolphin sightings in the wild, scientists have yet to find any conclusive proof. They are now only consistently visible in captivity. Dolphins are a really fascinating synthesis of their parents. Their dark gray skin is the ideal combination of black fake killer whale skin and light gray dolphin skin. Additionally, they have 66 teeth, which is precisely the average of the 44 teeth of the fake killer whale and the 88 teeth of dolphins. Number 7. Leoparn. The offspring of a male leopard and a female lion are called leopards, and they are stunning and rare hybrids. Leopards have legs that are shorter than those of a leopard, yet grow to be almost as big as lions. They'd also exhibit other leopard characteristics, such as a fondness for water and climbing prowess. A leopard is the name given to the child of a male lion and a female leopard. In contrast to female leopards, which are normally only about 5 feet long and weigh around 80 pounds, male lions are often approximately 10 feet long and weigh about 500 pounds. This combination occurs relatively infrequently because of the enormous size disparity between a male lion and a female leopard. Number 6. Beefalo. Beefalo is a cross between domestic cattle and buffalo. In most cases, breeders create beefalo by pairing a domesticated bull with a female American bison. The ability to breed on their own makes beefalo beneficial compared to many other kinds of animal hybrids. The finest characteristics of both species are present in these animals since human beings purposefully bred them together to increase meat output. They provide meat that is leaner and more tasty than that of bison, but they are domestic cattle in terms of docility and ease of raising. Normally, beefalo resemble cattle and are made up of 37.5% bison. Some breeds, frequently referred to as catalo, include 50% or more bison. Furthermore, any hybrid that more closely resembles a bison than a cow is typically regarded as an exotic animal as opposed to cattle. Number 5. Grolar bear. As one might anticipate, grolar bears are a mix between a grizzly bear and a polar bear. These creatures are frequently referred to as pizzly bears, and some First Nations people name them Nanulak, a combination of their terms for polar bear and grizzly bear, respectively. Polar bears and grizzlies often dislike one another and do not cohabit in captivity or in their natural environments, which makes grizzly bears fascinating. Yet more of these adorable, shaggy, hybrid bears in caramel colors have been created as a result of extraordinary circumstances and human interference. Averaging 60 inches tall at the shoulder and weighing about 1,000 pounds, they typically grow to be slightly smaller than polar bears, but because of their grizzly bear genes, they are better able to survive in warmer climates. Number 4. Jaglion. The Jaglion is another magnificent and captivating big cat hybrid that results from the union of a male jaguar and a female lion. Not much is known about Jaglions simply because so few exist. However, 2 Jaglion pups were born as a consequence of an accidental mating between a black jaguar and a lioness. The other has a stunning dark gray coat with black spotting thanks to the dominant melanin gene found in black jaguars, while the first has the coloring of a lion and the rosette pattern spotting of a jaguar. Linguars are the offspring born from the opposite mating of a male lion and a female jaguar. Number 3. Zebroid. A zebroid is technically a cross between a zebra and any horse species. A zorse is the name given to the offspring of a horse and a zombie. Zebra hybrids seldom couple up and are typically sterile. For instance, we refer to the highly rare offspring of a male donkey and a female zebra as hinnies. Zebra hybrids typically look like whichever animal they were bred with, but they still have the striped coat of a true zebra. The majority of these hybrid creatures lack completely striped coats. Instead, depending on the genetics of the non-zebra parent, the stripes are typically only visible on the legs or other non-white parts of the body. If you guys like this video, go and hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Number 2. Geep. The adorable geep, a mix between a goat and a sheep, is one of the prettiest and coolest hybrid animals. Despite being very cute, the geep is exceptionally rare. Some specialists question whether the geep is indeed a hybrid or just a sheep with aberrant genetics. Since sheep and goats have less chromosomes each, it is almost difficult to have a child of 2 distinct species. When it does, incredibly few are born alive, and even fewer are brought to term. Number 1. Kama. The Kama was developed to produce an animal that was more economically viable than either of its parents. Camas are dromedary camel and llama hybrids that are primarily produced by artificial insemination. Since male dromedary camels may weigh 6 times as much as female llamas and reverse pairing doesn't work, this is the best and safest way to breed them. Camas have silky, fleecy coats comparable to llamas but lack camel humps. The goal of their breeding program was to produce a mega wool-producing creature that would be sturdy and obedient enough to serve as a pack animal in arid environments.